Brody's gonna be editing my next video. Like, I'm gonna give him this footage and he's gonna edit.
Who's gonna
Poor Brody. Not giving him much to work with.
I mean, yeah.
And make me have like
Yeah.
Alright, go your characters.
Oh shoot, I forgot we're playing Chainsaw Man characters. My bad, twin.
Holy shit.
And Miles of Frank Zoro, so I don't feel bad anymore.
Goodness gracious.
Is that okay? Giga! Okay, Luffy's beating my ass.
Wait, I put my...
Okay, I'm getting my ass beat like twice full. Is what you wanted me to think. Okay, he's beating my ass still. I lied. Good 23 damage. Snipe! You're lucky you ever almost got Luffy.
Ah! Wait, okay, that did absolutely nothing. Holy fuck, you're just watching, all of you.
How did we help you?
Oh, I can move. Behind you.
Guys. It's okay, twin!
I could have put him in the Grimjaw combo, but...
Sorry, you can use that move. Another time. Let me all! Let me! You fat ass as hell!
Wait, why is it small?
Yo, big boy, you just said you wouldn't help me. Why would I help you?
Yeah, you never said that. Are you dumb?
You're dumb!
Do you have the down
You're
syndrome?
actually dumb. I hate you.
That's my Zoro.
You don't
Hey,
hate
Luffy's
nothing.
open.
Wait, he's one-shotting.
Grand Tatsumaki!
Help, big backs! Wait,
Yeah,
never mind,
alright.
I'm so good. I forgot.
Logan. Good boy.
Shark!
Is that Dennis? Is that Dennis Chainsaw Man?
That is. Ow! Oh yeah, we bitching him. I'm just gonna ult this
Ow.
time, chat.
$180 caliber.
Yo, what in the fuck is going on? Help! Help! Wait,
How was it not dead? Easy.
might have been a light word, no reaction.
Yeah.
All right,
What?
are we actually playing Chainsaw Man or what are we doing here?
We can.
Okay.
He knows no. But yes, it is. Oh, well, I just got sent to him.
I lucky forgot what these guys moved to.
What these
Come
guys? It's one guy, you idiot. Not these guys.
Alright, pipe down.
I don't want to hear shit. You always do that shit to me.
Yo, Gavin, you're like the worst player.
I'm one-shotting someone right now. Okay, sorry.
Wait, slam him? Gavin's just the worst player overall.
Yo, damage
No.
check, badass.
You're just sitting there looking at me!
You need a hush now.
Everybody, you're gonna
Hey, Luffy's almost dead again. Ow.
Is that Dennis Chainsaw Man?
Oh my god, we're shitting on them. Like, this is terrible.
Con?
Oh, he ran into that shit.
How is that fair? No.
Okay, I tried to help you.
Yeah, but Ilya, I mean, whatever her name is, won't say. He's literally one.
Okay, are you kidding me?
I hate you. Whoever fucking moved him, I was gonna get it ult.
Are you kidding me? Gavin, I'm scared.
It's gonna be
Yo,
okay.
Sukuna needs to get off me. Fuck.
That's like asking a blind man to see.
Oh, you're gonna put a cork in it.
Bullet! Storm!
Fuck. I got you. I'll save you.
Send a chainsaw man, please.
Yo, can he just stop fucking shooting us away? The infinite slam down combo?
I think Logan's getting touched.
Oh, slam down? Get him! Yeah! Oh. So he hit us away.
I think he got angry.
Yeah, I think he did.
How do you, like, what is that character like? How is it just respawning?
I'm not sure. Like, that's just, like, kind of broken. I'm gonna be honest.
Con!
How do you say it like that?
Damn.
Gavin, get him.
Oh, when she awakens, when she dies, it take like a quarter of her awakening goes away when she like gets all her health back.
That's for sure.
We're supposed to play Chainsaw characters.
Yay! So, you're so stupid.
My bad,
Logan, are you
Quinn.
retarded? Con!
Goku, oh my god.
Alright, Sasuke, you can't beat me! They call me the GOAT!
You probably say you eat like a goat, but not the goat.
Dude, goats are like pretty chill. To be honest. Yep.
Okay, well, whoever is playing Denji is bad.
I wonder.
What do you mean? Didn't I just save you, Miles? Come on now.
I'm sorry, kitten. Kitty cat.
What are you talking
You're my little kitty cat.
about? No, I'm not.
Go ahead and meow for daddy.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Yo, so
Two of you over there, and they're both fighting me.
I know Doggy's not talking.
Yeah, making up nicknames. Nobody's calling anyone dog.
Kill him! Hit him once! Hit him once!
He built a castle.
More pomegranates!
The fuck are you talking about?
That's all you do.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Sasuke hit me once and decided to head out. We ain't doing shit, buddy.
Bud. Wait, Logan, isn't that
Hey,
like the
Gavin,
autistic girl from like that one
I don't know if you can say that on YouTube. You're gonna get demonetized.
anime? What's wrong with that? What are you talking about?
You can't say autistic.
Why? Yo,
You can't tell the people of YouTube that, so.
Goku
I'm
is
telling him
lost.
about you.
I ain't telling him about shit.
Telling him what I'm dealing with every single time.
Yo, has the Sasuke died once?
Probably not.
Maybe if you did something, he would.
You literally have
You're
one
welcome,
damage.
guys.
I do need a damage check from you, big boy.
You have the least amount of damage on the team.
Shh, hush.
Ballistorm!
It's over there
There's
fighting.
a Frieza? There's a Frieza in this game?
I didn't know that either, so I'm actually kind of concerned.
Well, good luck, Gavin.
That dude was not playing Piccolo before.
Is that what... I'm not... Piccolo.
How is he playing Piccolo?
I have no clue.
Yo, what the fuck? Wait, what the fuck? Yo, rematch.
Yeah, hug. Pochita charges. I did. Pochita charges up brief moment, teleport by the enemy, not playing a trains this man character.
Yes, we are, buddy. That's the whole. We
I
can't
wanna
play one match.
power.
We need one more match. You big back.
Okay, then we can play other characters. Instead
Then
of
I can
Vegeta.
play Sasuke War.
Yes, whatever the hell you two want.
Can I get... like, any amounts of people being good at the game?
Bro's losing the Lancer. Actually, now I'm losing the Lancer because I got
Yeah,
ill.
yeah. Don't talk shit.
Talk shit, get hit!
It's like a middle school term. If I've ever heard one.
Oh,
I was, like, helping you out.
Right live using.
Uh-oh. Con!
Hold on, I'm multi. Well, my like rip off ult.
Your fault.
Wait, help!
Help!
Here's like, yeah, thank you. Sasuke, you. Ah! Oh, Sasuke grabbed me with a Susanoo. Oh, they're after him.
Wait, he's surviving.
He is. So kind of aura, but then he died. Go!
Okay.
Go!
We need to go help the fat one.
Dennis Chainsaw Man!
Logan, you died. What are you talking about?
Guys!
Wait, thank you.
Alright, I'm local.
Block break.
That was actually a
didn't know.
go-ass like play. I'm not gonna lie. Good job.
But that's Cone?
That cone. That cone was the play.
They do call me the GOAT sometimes. Are you kidding me?
I just got one shot. Okay, Lance has a one shot move, and I'm going to snap my monitor in half.
Ow! Owie!
Okay, you grabbed me.
I'm dead. You got this, Miles. Don't worry. It's okay, you almost got it.